ideally want to talk to when I'm calling in? Who do I want to talk to? What's the primary goal when you call the person? What's the goal? Good, we just want to set a demo. And rule of thumb, this is why I tell car dealers too, I can say anything I want to set a demo with somebody. Literally, I tell them anything I got to tell them to set the demo, as long as I don't what? As long as I don't lie. I don't have to tell people everything. Everything I tell people though has to be the 100% truth. What's the secondary goal?
Show up.
Yeah, good. So get them to show up to the demo or set up for good quality follow-up. Who do I ideally want to talk to when I'm calling in? Who do I want to talk to? The decision maker. And if I don't get to the decision maker, then maybe I go lateral and I talk to some influencers. Like in our company, there's very limited people that could actually write you a check from Rev Dojo. Every single 344 people we have, or how many people we have though, can say, hey Kyle, I need you to look at this thing. And I'll always look at it. So we want to also put emphasis on the influencers. A lot of influencers at the dealership. And then at the end of the call, what could I have done better? What did I learn? What's my next action? And if you're just thinking about this and having laser focus, you know exactly what you want, you're going to be more successful. One of the easiest ways to build a relationship with somebody, be the polite parrot. The more money somebody has, the easier they are to get control of, okay? Be the polite parrot. Dealers will tell you what they want. What's something that they say that they want? Mr. Dealer, I'm glad we're talking because this gives you more leads. You don't have to over-explain something. The more money somebody has, the more power they have, the easier they are. And when you're easy, they're what? They're easy. When you're difficult, when you sound annoyed, when you sound tight, they don't want to talk to you. When you're easy, they're easy. Be the polite parrot. What's another thing that they say? I want what? No, I want Mr. Dealer, I will give you the best price, and I promise you, if you're going to buy on a price, you're going to buy. Everybody looking for the best value buys here. Don't worry about it.